The Honor Play is one of the first phones to feature the Turbo GPU for excellent gaming and all-around performance. Obviously, this phone has a ton of other premium features we need to talk about. The phone ships with all the usual items, and some extras include a soft TPU case. The notch display is one of the highlights of the phone, and it is a great, sharp and a large panel. Sunlight legibility is not the best, but it's quite decent. The phone feels very premium in the hand because of its all-metal construction, and the build quality is just excellent. One of the drawbacks of the matte black color is that it attracts fingerprints very quickly, and it's really hard to clean them, but I guess that's the shortcoming you can live with. The AI camera is another highlight of this device, as it uses two sensors, but as usual, I will talk about the image quality a little bit later in this video. There is a beefy 16-megapixel selfie shooter that sits next to the LED notification light. Other features you need to know: the fingerprint scanner is very accurate and blazing fast, and the phone has face unlock feature that is also pretty good. There's also a hybrid dual SIM card tray, a headset jack that provides good sound quality, and quite good loudspeaker. The Honor Play has a powerful Kirin 970 CPU that is accompanied by the new Turbo GPU. The phone is advertised to give you 4D gaming experience, but I can't tell the difference between this and other phones. What I can tell you is that the overall gaming performance is just excellent. I played quite a few 3D games on the highest graphics settings, and the phone just flies through everything. Even the PUBG on the highest graphics works absolutely fine. Flagship grade performance. The phone ships with the EMUI 8.2, which is based on Android 8.1. In general, the Honor Play looks and feels like a Huawei phone in terms of user interface. Since I have the Chinese model, my phone shipped without Google services pre-installed, and there were plenty of bloatware apps. A good thing is that it takes just a minute to install Google services, and all the bloatware apps can be easily removed. Just like any other Huawei phone, there are plenty of features and customization options to choose from. There are many display settings, smart features, you can choose from different navigation keys, and so on. In general, the phone feels very fast and smooth all the time. Very good overall performance. The overall image quality is very good. The pictures are very sharp and vibrant, and there is plenty of detail. Every time you take a picture, the AI recognizes the scene and applies the best image settings. I found the AI to do a pretty good job, but usually the pictures come out with a high contrast and the colors are a bit too punchy. On the other hand, the images tend to have a wow factor, which is a must for social media. Portrait or wide aperture pictures look quite nice too, as the object is nicely separated from the background with just minimal artifacts. Selfies usually come out nice and sharp, and portrait mode does a decent job with a bokeh effect. Low light is where I expected a better performance out of this phone. I can't say the images look bad, but I expected pictures to have less noise and more detail. 4K video quality is pretty good. The only complaint is that there is no image stabilization, so the footage is a little bit shaky. In terms of connectivity, the Honor Play is just excellent. Call quality and signal reception have been great, GPS is very accurate, and other connectivity options work fine. There are quite a few sensors on board, including the gyroscope. The battery life has been great. My record screen on time was about 10 hours, and my usage involved taking a lot of pictures, using the phone for social media, and a bit of gaming. If you're using the phone more intensively, you should expect to get about 8 hours of screen on time. Also, it takes just about 1.5 hours to fully charge the phone with a supplied fast charger. Overall, the Honor Play shapes up to be a solid phone that has a lot of premium features for the price of about $370. Low light image quality could be better, but other than that, you get a premium looking phone with a nice display, excellent day-to-day and gaming performance, solid cameras, and good battery life. Well, I'm not going to assert this is the only phone you need to buy, but the Honor Play is a very solid option that has quite a few flagship features for the price. Therefore, I can definitely suggest you checking it out. But what do you guys think about the Honor Play smartphone? Would you choose this device or would you buy another phone? As always, use that comment section down below, like the video if you liked it, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and as always, it was Linus, thank you for watching and see you soon.